In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on two-step verification on Proton Mail. Two-step verification, also called two-factor authentication, adds a powerful extra layer of security to your account by requiring a one-time code from an authenticator app in addition to your password. Before we begin, have your preferred authenticator app ready on your phone. First, open Proton Mail and sign into your account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right and click the gear-shaped settings icon, then choose All Settings to open the full settings panel. On the left side menu, select Account and Password. This is where Proton groups your sign-in and security options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Next to Authenticator app, toggle the switch on. Proton will ask you to confirm it's really you, so enter your account password when prompted. Then click Authenticate to continue. You'll now see a QR code on the screen. Open your Authenticator app and add a new account. If your app supports scanning, point your camera at the QR code and it will capture everything automatically. If scanning isn't possible, choose the option in your app to enter a setup key manually and type in the key shown by Proton. Both methods connect your Authenticator to your Proton account using a time-based one-time password, which refreshes every 30 seconds. After linking the app, click Next on Proton. Your Authenticator app should display a 6-digit code for Proton. Type that code into the field on Proton exactly as shown, being mindful that it changes frequently, and then click Submit. That's it. Two-step verification with an Authenticator app is now turned on for your Proton Mail account. From now on, after entering your password, you'll be asked for a code from your app to finish signing in. Keep your Authenticator app accessible, and if a code doesn't work, wait for the next one to refresh and try again. This quick setup dramatically improves your account security with just a few steps.